Hey guys, Jeff here again. Cheesehead Flipper. Just got done watching the Packer game. And they won! Gotta love it. So anyways, it's now past Christmas. Christmas season for us resellers is done. You're gonna see a little bit of a slowdown. So what should you do next? Well, first off, double check your shipping, everything has went smoothly. There's been a lot of issues on that. It hasn't been that pleasant. So hold a little bit of your funds in reserve. That's number one. And also you may get some post-Christmas returns. They happen. Plan for it. Hopefully you don't have too many, but you know, you're gonna get a few probably. Especially if you sold a lot of, you know, things that are more gift related. And don't stop listing. Keep on listing. Get things up. Get things moving. Because you know what? People still buy stuff. It's going to go back down to normal. Like we've been up here, at least most of us, our sales have been very elevated. They're going to start coming down a little more to earth. You know, instead of maybe a few before you were selling, the last few weeks you're doing 10, 15 a day. Maybe you're going to jump down to 3 to 5. It's going to happen. So hopefully you don't think that you're going to be able to ride that fourth quarter wave all the time. Doesn't work that way, sorry. You know, if you started selling their fourth quarter and you thought this was how it always was, no, sorry. But don't let that get you down. Don't let the sudden drop in sales get you down. You're going to be going back to normal. Try to elevate what that normal is for you. If right now you're selling 3 per day, maybe aim for bumping up how much is in your store and the quality of your listings, your photos, your pricing, everything to go from 3 to averaging 5. You can take more listings, take better quality listings, but I'm sure you can get it done. Now, what else is happening? Well, I was just watching the news and there's a new stimulus check coming. What does that mean for you? That means that people who get stimulus checks are going to buy stupid stuff. Expensive stuff that they've been eyeballing, looking at. You have anything high-end, expensive, get it listed right now, tonight. Get it listed ASAP because they are going to start to buy it. Now, some of these people, maybe they shouldn't be buying it. That's not for you to say. I'd rather they buy it from you than from someone else. Let's get it listed. I think I read it was $600 per person, you know. There might be more coming. Who knows? Politicians, I don't trust them as far as I can throw them. But if people are going to get money, they're going to go through another wave of buying stupid stuff. Now maybe you have some things that are more necessities. Get those listed too. Maybe these people have really been hurting and they're looking to, hey, now I can buy these things I needed. Make sure you get a good fair price on them. They'll move. What else could be happening? Maybe people who have been just holding the line, you know, they're paying their basic bills, but maybe they couldn't do Christmas. Who knows? Maybe they're going to use this to do a little bit of Postdated Christmas for the families. So your Christmas type stuff, keep it listed. More of gift type items, keep them listed for now. Who knows? Maybe it'll happen, maybe it won't. This past year has been so strange that all previous models of how things go may or may not hold true. So keep on listing. That's key, always. Always keep listing. Now I admit, I have been letting the eBay side of my business absolutely slack off. I've been focusing mostly on Amazon right now, and I'm probably gonna start doing a little more Amazon videos. Let me know down below. Would you like a little more Amazon videos? Maybe some ungating guides, where I, you know, from someone who's not gonna charge you $1,000 to say, hey, give me $1,000 and I'll teach you how to get ungated and blah 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 blah. I can tell you, it ain't hard. If I can figure it out, you can figure it out. Trust me. It does take money. I won't lie to you. It takes some capital. It does take ordering some from distributors. I can get you, guides on where to go, what their requirements are going to be. Now, most of them you're going to have to be a legal entity, such as an LLC. So if you want to get into that game, maybe look in how to do that. Now, you may be able to deduct some of these expenses into your taxes. Tax time is coming. So maybe, if you haven't made that leap yet, maybe you'll make that leap now and get the tax write-off for this upcoming tax season. I'm in Wisconsin. Well, obviously. There's cheeseheads everywhere. It's not that obvious. But I am in Wisconsin. And luckily for me, making a company here is just ridiculously easy. I go to a state webpage, and in about 15 minutes, and I think it's like $120 or something like that, I'm done. Some states aren't as easy. Of course, always anything, when there's legalities involved, of course, ask a CPA or a lawyer, But really, if I can figure it out, I'm pretty confident you guys can figure it out. Now, a couple things that's going to be odd this year. We don't know when this stuff is going to end. There might be more restrictions coming. All people traveled. If we get a big, massive wave of outbreaks, there could be a lot more lockdowns. So prepare for that. Do you have inventory laying around? Do you need to go out and source inventory? Maybe. If you have, don't spend all of your money from this nest egg you got from fourth quarter. Maybe look into some large lots. Research them. Don't just buy them because they're available in large. Maybe you need to get yourself a little cushion of inventory. Maybe you need to do some epic thrift store runs. If I ever get a smaller camera, maybe I'll do the goofy, I don't know if I would want to do it, but maybe I'll do the goofy thing where I clip the thing on there and drag you along with me. I haven't been doing thrift stores nearly as much as I used to. I've been doing mostly online buying. Like I said, I've also shifted so much of my attention recently. My work has still been absolutely crazy. I've shifted a lot of my attention that I have available to my Amazon business. And eBay is kind of my side hustle, I guess you would say. But would you guys want to see more Amazon videos maybe coming next year? If you're new here, welcome. I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the little thing. I might try to put something down here, or where the button is at. If you found me, you know how YouTube works, right? So, what are your guys' plans for next year? How are you going to take advantage of... that doesn't sound like how I mean it. How are you going to maximize your opportunity with this new surplus check? It's not my business to tell people how to spend their money, but if they're going to blow it anyways, they might as well spend the money with me. I'll take it. I'll use it. I'll put it to good use. If they want to blow it on, some video game system over here I'm going to list, or some crafting supplies, or what else do I got? Some higher end stuff. Oh yeah, I got this higher end stereo stuff I need to list. Part of Death Pile December challenge. I'm not doing that great at that. I'm working on it. It might become Death Pile January. Hopefully not February. I'm still working away at it, chipping away at it. How have you guys done with Death Pile December? Have you chipped away at your Death Pile? If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll try to put it up here somewhere. Basically, it was a challenge someone else put out to get your death piles under control in December. I was all geared up and raring to go for it, and then just work. Now the kid got sick, not COVID, luckily. This little ear infection. So the last day or two have been kind of hectic with him. He's not going to daycare, so I'm working my real job from home while trying to take care of him as best I can. And we're just gonna go from there. So yeah, the gravy train is over. Back to reality for us resellers. But I will tell you, right now, eBay has slowed down quite a bit for me, but Amazon is still hopping. Still doing great. If you are not selling on Amazon, you need to be. They are the top dog. They are the king of the resale market. And yes, you can sell used goods on Amazon. I sell primarily used goods on Amazon. I'm also doing new stuff, obviously, if I'm doing ungating and, you know, wholesaler invoices, all that jazz. But yeah, expand your markets. My plan going to next year, probably shifting slightly to more new products. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. I want to get myself under control. I'm also have a new goal of, if I purchase something, it's got to be listed that night. If it's not listed that night, I don't buy anything new until it's listed. And I'm also going to try to get control of this death pile, because it is, if you haven't seen it, like I said, it is absolutely outrageous. Alright, so tell me what you guys are doing this year. How were your sales? That's the big thing. How were your sales this year? Did you do good? Did you not do good? Did the USPS issues get you? I hope not. Not too bad anyways. I only had a few issues that were mostly resolved with mostly understanding buyers. I've had a few that weren't. I have one they can't find since November. Person just opened a case on it, so I think I might lose that one. Unfortunately, it was a $200 item. So yeah, I might get hit hard on that one. Not gonna be fun. Nature of the beast. Really sucks. But hey, what can you do? Well, I got some stuff here to list. I'm looking to get minimum 5. I think I can do 10 tonight before I go to bed though. So keep on listing. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.